And this patent in particular is the main thing we've been speaking about for the past year in majority of our videos, is understanding that with this patent now, they will have a strong moat on their business model, and all of the participants within the competing AI war will have to go through Theta Labs. This gives them a strong moat, as well as gives us merit to our theory on these large organizations and companies all becoming validators within the Theta network. So a good example that we have here, if you have not watched our auto router video from about 9 months ago, we speak about how it's more important than just becoming the Airbnb of compute, where you meet a buyer and a seller. It is the orchestration layer. It is the autonomous ability for users to uptick into jobs as users drop off of jobs. So the edge nodes being able to assume roles when others may drop or decline in service. That is really what it's about. This autonomous rerouting of the resources. And we utilized auto finance or tokamak previously as the example because they do something similar in DeFi, which is autonomously rebalancing between destinations of yield sources. So they do something for DeFi that we are doing over here with compute resources. So very similar premise. But the importance of what makes something like Auto different than most DeFi protocols is in this piece right here, the autonomous rebalancing. And that's really what Theta is all about right here, is this orchestration layer so that they can determine the optimal location for executing certain tasks and then deciding whether that should be pushed into the cloud for more intense resource needed services, or if that should be pushed to the edge nodes. And that's really the trade-off that I think we are seeing here, and why we are really impressed with Theta Labs doing a lot of the chatbots that they're doing, because they're setting precedent and setting everyone to understand that there are going to be a lot of resources constrained in high need and high use tasks, and there's going to be very few resources available for other smaller tasks.